Kids, let's learn alphabets, A to Z. Before start, subscribe to my channel. A for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat saying meow to me. Please subscribe to my channel. Wagging his tail. E is for elephant, big as a whale. C for cat. Fish swimming in the blue. Come ride the ABC. D for dog. Chug, chug, chug goes the ABC. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink. J for jug. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for queen. Hello kids, please subscribe to my channel. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for train. U for umbrella. P is for penguin dressed in black and white. V for van. Q is for queen with a crown so bright. R is for rainbow full of
W for whale.
S is for sun shining all day. T
X for X-ray.
rolling on its way. U is for umbrella when it rains.
Y for yak.
Riding our ABC train.
Z for zebra. Thanks for watching ABC Land of Learning.